Hey, it's your boy the Crypto Goon back for another video, and shout out to all my goons for pulling up once again. And today we're talking about Ondo, which is printing money right now. Now, if you don't know what Ondo is, it's BlackRock's chosen token to tokenize real world assets like ETFs and bonds. But less rap and more charts. If you don't know anything about it, I suggest you do your research. But let's hop into these charts and get to it. See, Ondo has already been printing, okay? We've had a move up followed by a correction, and we're in another move up, okay? So you know how I do. I always start with the Fibonacci. I go from the low to the high, and then from here, I'm going to reverse the Fibonacci for the price targets. So currently, Ondo is at $1.64. The first target that I have in mind is $4.90, followed by $8.91. Okay. So you know how I like to do. I like to measure the first bull run, right? So we measure that first bull run. We go from the base of the bull run, and then we go from the base of the correction. So as you can see, once this bull run completes, we will be at $8.91. This is where Elliott wave and other instruments come in handy so that you can know what's going to happen before it happens. So once we reach $4.90, we're going to see a correction. Now, if we measure this correction and we put it at the next target, you will see that this will line up with the Fibonacci. So we go from here to here. And then as you can see, this correction will measure exactly to the Fibonacci between the 50 and the 618. As you can see here, it hits the 50. And then we will see a continuation from this 50 to the $8.91. Okay. So cryptocurrency kind of repeats itself, the size of the swings, the size of the corrections, and we can use the Fibonacci, which is just all mathematics, to plan new entries and also plan our targets for our exits. If this is something that you do not plan on holding long term. I really like XRP and XLM and ADA. Those are long term holds for me. But this particular one, I'm looking to just print some money and then exit. So as you can see, we consolidated right here on the daily chart. And like I've talked about before, right? These are triangle patterns, okay? And once you're able to recognize these patterns, you will see that they are bull forming style patterns for breakouts. And as you can see, we've had the breakout. Now, if I want to make an entry on this in the next couple of days, right? If you're somebody that is really particular about where you enter the market and you're not somebody that's just going to dollar cost average anywhere, then I will be looking for a pullback on this, right? Into this area right here of resistance. And you can see this here because it's going sideways. So move down to the 618 and then followed by a continuation up into new highs. Now, just checking out the crypto bubbles. As you can see, Ondo is up 35.5%. So on the day, we're up 35.5. On the week, we're up 70%. And on the month, we're up 168%. We went from 59 cents all the way up to $1.68. So Ondo right now is currently printing money. It is a fairly new token. So of course, do your homework. But when it comes to some of these altcoins, we're only looking to print some money for the short term until they show us that there is something that is beneficial in the long term. And that goes by, their technology and any other thing they're investing in, and any other investors like a BlackRock that they have pouring into their token. But with that being said, I'm interested in hearing what you all think. Let me know down in the comments, and shout out to all my crypto goons for pulling up once again. We got yet another one printing money. I appreciate you all. Crypto Goon out.